All right, here we go. We're going to run through the warm-up here real quick. So first thing, it says, what is another name for line M? Line M, we have P and Q are points on there, so we could say line PQ with a capital P, capital Q, and a little line above it. We could use any two letters we wanted to, so we could also say PC or CQ. Next says, name the intersection of M and K. So M and K are the two lines here, so they clearly intersect at C. All right, so we have C for that. Name three collinear points. Just like part one, there's a couple good answers here. Two answers. One would be PCQ, all right, which are three collinear points on line M. Another good answer would be DCR, which are three collinear points on line K. Either is fine. Next says find the coordinates of D if E is the midpoint of CD. So C is at 2, 9. So somewhere up here. So 2, 9 there. E is at negative 1, 6. So somewhere down here. All right, oops, put that in the wrong side. So we're going to move that up to the top. My apologies. Negative 1, 6. So up here. So E, negative 1, comma 6. And it says find the coordinates of D if E is the midpoint. So we're really trying to look out here to some point out there that's going to be the other endpoint D. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these up in order. So 2, 9. Then we go to negative 1, 6. So that on this side was down 3. So we're going to go down 3 more, which is negative 4. On this side, we were down 3. So we're going to go down 3 more, and we're going to be at 3. So negative 4, comma 3. Again, there are algebraic methods for that one if you'd like. You can call this endpoint xy. And we could say x plus 2 over 2 needs to equal negative 1. So x plus 2 equals negative 2. X equals negative 4. Which notice that matches, and then we can do a similar thing for y. But again, this idea right here where we just, how big a step was it from endpoint to midpoint and take the same steps, is a really handy way to get through this type of problem. All right, hope that helps. Have a great day.